Hello, this is Miguel and I'm a student from UNAD, University Open and Distant. Today in this task I'm going to tell you some course and errands. So I have prepared this scrapbook. I hope that you're enjoying during this video. So okay, as I told you, I have some chores to finish around the house. So the first that I need to make a dinner for my family. So yeah, I usually need to make a dinner. Sometimes I make a dinner like fish and rice, or yeah, it's delicious food. The second that it is I need to wash the dishes and clean my kitchen. So yeah, basically I need to wash the dishes and also keep clean the kitchen. Yeah, I usually clean the kitchen twice a week. So yeah. Okay, the third that it is I need to clean the house. That's right. So I usually clean the house 3 times a week. That's mean on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. So yeah, and I really like it. And the fourth that it is I need to take out the garbage. So yeah, basically this course I usually do 4 times in the week. That means Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and also sometimes I usually take out the garbage on Saturday. So yeah, it is a cure that I have. And finally, to complete all my chores, I clean the bathroom. Basically, I clean the bathroom all the time because I want to keep my bathroom clean. So yeah, basically it is an hard work, yeah, and a hard chore, but I usually do clean the bathroom. So okay, in this part of the video I have to run some errands in town today. So the first that I need to go to the bank. So basically, yeah, I need to do these errands, and I usually go to the bank 1 time a month. Okay, 1 day a month. So the second that it is I need to pay my bills. So basically, yeah, I usually pay the bills 3 times a month. That's mean on every 5 of the month, every 15 of the month, and every 25 of the month. So yeah, I'm very responsible for that errands. Okay, the number three, I need to return a book to the library. I sometimes complete that errands. It is not one a month. It is maybe one every 5 of the month. That means I need to return the book because I sometimes read a book every week, and also I need to return and get a new book to the library. Okay, the next that I have, I need to go to the grocery shopping. Yeah, basically every month I go to the grocery and buy some fruits and vegetable, and yeah, something that is very useful and also that is a food. And finally that I have, it is I need to renew our links. Yeah, so basically, yeah, that errands, it is one. It's not usually, because yeah, in that moment I have to renew my links. It's very important because I have a car, so we have to renew my links. So that's it. It's my job. It is my errands in course. So I hope that you're enjoying this video, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Thank you.